Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Avvo Legal Directory Review My Usage Experience. Avvo Legal Directory Review My Usage Experience offers a searchable database of lawyers and legal professionals. Its main purpose is to help individuals find qualified legal assistance in their area. The target audience is anyone seeking legal representation, from individuals needing help with a simple will to businesses requiring complex litigation support. Key features likely include lawyer profiles with ratings, reviews, and contact information. Their website provides details on how to search for lawyers based on location, area of law, and other criteria. It emphasizes user reviews and lawyer profiles to aid in informed decision-making. Avvo claims to offer a free and user-friendly platform. Availability is nationwide, readily accessible through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Avvo Legal Directory Review My Usage Experience. I needed to find a real estate lawyer in my new city, and Avvo was recommended to me. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply entered my location and the legal area I needed help with. The interface was intuitive and straightforward. I was able to filter results by things like years of experience and client ratings, which was very helpful. The results were plentiful, and I found several lawyers who seemed to fit the bill. I browsed through several profiles, reading their bias and client reviews, which gave me a good understanding of their expertise and approach. The speed was excellent, the pages loaded quickly and searching was responsive. I had a quick question about a lawyer's profile, so I reached out through Avvo's contact form. I received a helpful response within 24 hours. I was really impressed by how clear and comprehensive the lawyer profiles were. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed client reviews. It gave me a much better sense of each lawyer's strengths and weaknesses than I'd have found elsewhere. One minor drawback was that the mobile site felt a little less polished than the desktop version. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Avvo. It helped me efficiently find and compare several highly rated legal professionals, ultimately leading me to a lawyer who's been incredibly helpful with my real estate transaction. That's my overview of Avvo Legal Directory Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.